Let's be real, keeping tabs on accounts receivable is crucial for solid cash flow. But for so many finance teams, the process remains slow, error-prone, and all too manual. You spend ages gathering data, cross-checking invoices, and firing off reminders, eating up precious time that could be better used for smarter financial strategies. What's the problem? Classic AR workflows usually involve exporting contact and invoice info, manually matching everything up, and then chasing overdue payments with calls or emails, and guess what? Errors sneak in like uninvited guests, overdue accounts stack up, and reconciliation transforms into a tedious chore. It's this endless cycle of inefficiency that clogs up cash flow and jacks up your operational costs. Here's where we come in. Our Invoice Due Solution automates the entire AR mess. We've partnered with handy tools like Loveable and N8N to create a platform where you can just upload your customer and invoice files, whether they're in CSV or PDF format, and voila! Our AI gets to work, pulling out all the important details you need like a pro. And it doesn't stop there. The system checks the data, spots any overdue accounts, and sends out personalized reminders, all from a sleek, user-friendly dashboard. It's basically a one-stop shop for finance teams to get things done faster and more accurately. After you upload your invoices and customer info, our Invoice Due Solution scans every document to grab key details, like payment due dates, amounts owed, and contact info, then fills in your dashboard automatically. The system highlights pending payments, suggests next steps, and even churns out detailed analytics on aging receivables. For example, if someone's payment is past due, the platform automatically sends a reminder email, customizing the message based on their history with you. This all cuts down on manual tasks, speeds up collections, and helps you avoid costly errors. Now let's peek behind the curtain for a sec. Our tech setup is pretty robust. We integrate seamlessly with APIs, keep your data locked up safely, and ensure everything runs at lightning speed. What does this all mean? It's a smart, scalable invoice due solution that grows right along with your business. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about automating data entry. It's about giving finance teams the tools to make quick decisions, improving cash flow, cutting down costs, and building stronger customer bonds. Clients experience fewer disputes, less manual work, and quicker payments, all of which boost their financial health. With AI at the core of your accounts receivable, your finance team can ditch the tedious manual tasks and zero in on strategic growth instead. It's a smarter, more adaptable way to manage your cash cycle, helping you stay ahead in this fast-paced world.